Okay, this afternoon we're going to give you a quick introduction to the Aztec LowRider. That's our high-speed propane-powered floor burnisher. Comes in 3 sizes, 27 inches, which is what this is, 24 inch or 21 inch. This is our base model. It's also available with various upgrades for safety or functionality, like a dust control package, a water system for wet burnishing. There's safety features such as an auto shut-off for emissions. If the CO gets out of line, it'll automatically shut the engine off for safety reasons. You can get a lanyard kill switch. Again, if the operator becomes separated from the machine, it'll automatically turn off. You can get a centrifugal clutch. What we're going to do now is we're going to show you how to start the machine, how to stop it, and how to change the burnishing pad. First thing you want to do is just make sure that you have an air filter. You can check your air filter and your pre-filter that's under this hood. You want to check your oil, which is over here. Make sure you have oil in it. Just take a look and make sure all the wires are connected before you get started. When you don't have a centrifugal clutch, you're going to rock the machine back so that the burnisher pad is not on the floor. You're going to make sure that your throttle is in the slow position, and you're going to open your gas tank, and then you're going to turn your key. Once it gets running and you want to start going, you can put the machine down and then throttle up, and then you're going to follow at a fair pace behind the machine. Turn the machine off. What you're going to want to do, throttle back, raise the machine up, turn your gas off, and then turn the key off. And that's going to power down the burnisher. So it's that easy to operate. Next, we want to show you how to change the burnisher pad. So what you'll do is you're going to want to adjust the T-bar. Come around. You're going to make sure that it's clear behind you, and you're going to lift the machine up, rock it back to the full back position. And we have a pad grabber here. It's hand tightened. You're going to just twist that off. You're going to remove the burnishing pad that's on there from the drive unit. You're going to get your new pad, you're going to center it, and then you're going to place the pad grab back on. Again, you're going to hang tighten it. Rock the machine back forward. And that's basically it. That's the Aztec LowRider propane powered floor burnisher. Thank you for your time.